Hi students, I am Mrs. R. Ambikeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, let's see some important one-word question and answer from the drama The Crucible, written by an American writer, Arthur Miller. Now let's see some important questions. What kind of government does Salem have in The Crucible? It had theocracy government. Second question is, what is Paris' position in Salem? The answer is minister. Next question, before the play begins, what did Paris catch his daughter and other girls? And what they were doing? The answer is, they were dancing in the forest. Next question is, why did Elizabeth Proctor fire Abigail? The answer is, she fired her because Abigail was too proud. The fifth question, as the play opens, whom has Paris asked to come to Salem? The answer is Reverend Hale. Let's move on to the sixth question. What is John Proctor's chief complaint against Paris' sermons? The complaint is that they focus too much on fire and brimstones. Seventh question is, what does Mrs. Putnam blame on witchcraft? The answer is the death of 7 of her children in infancy. Question number 8. Who is the first person that Abigail claims practiced witchcraft? The answer is Tituba. Question number 9. In Act 2, what does Mary Warren give to Elizabeth Proctor when she returns home from the trials? She gave a little doll. Question number 10. What news does Mary Warren bring from Salem? She brought the news that someone accused Elizabeth of witchcraft. Let's move on to the question number 11. Which commandment does John Proctor forget when Reverend Hale quizzes him? The answer is, thou shalt not commit adultery. Question number 12. Whom do Ezekiel Cheever and Herrick the marshal come to the Proctor home to arrest? They came to arrest Elizabeth Proctor. Question number 13. To what does John Proctor convince Mary Warren to testify? The answer is that the girls are only pretending to be possessed. Let's move on to the question 14. Who is in charge of the court? Danforth is in charge of the court. Question number 15. Why will Elizabeth not be hanged if she is found guilty? The answer is because she is pregnant. Now let's see question number 16. On what charge is Giles Corey arrested? He was arrested on the contempt of court. Question number 17. When Mary Warren testifies against them, what do Abigail and her troops of girls do? They claim that Mary is bewitching them. Question 18. What does John Proctor do in a desperate attempt to foil Abigail? He tells the court about his affair with her. Question number 19. Who is brought to corroborate to John Proctor's claim about Abigail? It is Elizabeth Proctor. Question number 20. What does Elizabeth do when called upon to testify? It is the lies that they tell. Question number 21. What does the court do with John Proctor? It arrests and tries him to witchcraft. Question number 22. When John Proctor is facing death, what does Hale urge him to do? He urged him to confess even though he is innocent. Question number 23. Why does Proctor react his confession? Because the officials demand that he sign his name to it. Question number 24. What does Abigail do at the end of the play? The answer is, she flees Salem after robbing her uncle. Move on to the question number 25. What ultimately happens to John Proctor? He is hanged. Question number 26. What kind of government operates in Salem in the year 1692? It is a theocracy government. Question number 27. For what does Reverend Parris condemn his niece Abigail? Dancing in the woods at night. Question number 28. What rumor is circulating about Reverend Parris' daughter Betty? That she is a victim of witchery. Question number 29. What does Reverend Parris fear? That his opponents will use the accusations of witchcraft against him. Question number 30. What does Mrs. Putnam call on Tituba to do for her? The answer is commune with her dead children. The next question is, what is the real reason that Elizabeth Proctor fired Abigail Williams? Abigail had an affair with John Proctor. That was the reason. Next is, what do Abigail and John fight about? They fought about the affair and their feelings. Next is, what does Mrs. Putnam believe in wrong with the Betty Parris? She is overstimulated and having a fit. The next question is, why do Mr. Putnam and John Proctor fight? Because they disagree about the importance of church going. The next question is, what does Abigail accuse Tituba of making a drink? It was the blood. The next question is, whom does Tituba accuse of being influenced by the devil? Sarah Good and Goody Osborne. Question number 37. What does Giles ask Reverend Hale? She asked why his wife reads books. The next question is, what will happen to the accused witches if they do not confess? They would be hanged. Question number 39. What does Mary Warren reveal about Elizabeth? She reveals that she was accused of witchcraft. Question number 40. What is Giles Corey known for? He is known for being quick to file lawsuits. Next question is, who besides Betty Parris falls into the peculiar trance? It is Ruth Putnam. The next question is, what makes Reverend Hale different from Reverend Harris? His critical objectivity made him different from the other person. What does Thomas Putnam hope to gain from the witch trials? He wanted to gain wealth and land. Move on to the next question. Who asked Tituba to perform voodoo rituals? It is Abigail Williams. Next question. What does Elizabeth believe that John Proctor has at the end of the crucible? Goodness. Question number 46. What drives Abigail to begin the hysteria? It's a jealousy. Move on to the next question. At the end of the play, what does Reverend Hale advise the accused witches to do? He asks them to confess fake sins to save their lives. Next question is, what does the hysteria enable the town people to do? It get revenge on everyone they want. Next is, where does Abigail's authority come from? Her claims of religious righteousness. The last question is, who asked Tituba to perform the voodoo rituals? It was again the Abigail Williams. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Hi students, I am Mrs. R. Ambikeshwari.